Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. Let us continue with the 12th chapter, Perimeter and Area. In the previous video, we have completed Perimeter and Practice Set 44. Children, today we will start with Area. So take out your textbook and notebook. Now page number 81, let's recall. Here the formula for finding area of square and area of rectangle is given. Now what is the formula for area of square, children? It is side multiplied by side, or you can write it as side square. And area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. If the length is written as L and breadth is written as B, then we will write the formula for area of rectangle as L into B. Now the unit for measuring area is square meters or square centimeter or square kilometer. It depends upon the length and breadth or the side of the square or rectangle given in the example. Now children, here the two activities are given. These activities are to be done by you as instructed by the government. Here both the activities are very simple. Let us go through once. Measure the length and breadth of the courts laid out for games such as Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, tennis, badminton, etc. Find out their perimeters and areas. Children, in this example, you must be going to play such games. So you can take measurement of any ground or court wherever you are going, and you have to find the perimeter and area. Also, in second activity, a wall in Anirudh's house is to be painted. The wall is 7 meter long and 5 meter high. If the painter charges 120 rupees per square meter, how much will he have to be paid? Such examples we have seen last year. So children, you have to do this activity by your own. Now let us take an example. A rectangular garden is 40 meter long and 30 meter wide. A 2 meter wide path is to be paved inside the garden along its boundary using tiles 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter in size. How many such tiles will be required? Children, what is given in this example? Let's go through it first. Here this is the rectangular garden. Here the length and breadth of this rectangular garden are given. Here the length is 40 meter and the breadth is 30 meter. Now if the road or a path is to be paved, it means to cover an area of the ground with tiles. As the tiles are to be paved here, so here this path is to be covered with tiles. So you have to find the area of this path. For that it is given the width of the path is 2 meters. Here 2 meter from this side, 2 meter from this side, 2 meter from here, and from all the four sides, it means a path of 2 meter is to be paved. In this path, the tiles of 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter is to be put in there. Now children, you have to find the number of tiles required to put on this path. Now for that, what we have to do? First we have to find the area of the outer rectangle. Then we have to find the area of inner rectangle. Subtract the area of inner rectangle from the area of outer rectangle. You will get the area of the path. Now here if you will look, here the length and breadth of the rectangle are given in meters, whereas the length and breadth of the tiles are given in the form of centimeters. So we have to see the conversion also. Here 100 centimeter is 1 meter and 25 centimeter will be then 25 upon 100 meters. Then 20 centimeter will also be 20 upon 100 meters. So first we will find the area of the garden. Let us find the area to be paved, that is the area of the path. For that, first we will find the area of the garden, that is the outer rectangle. Here area of garden is length into breadth, that is 40 multiplied by 30 is 1200 square meter. Then area not to be paved, that is area of the inner rectangle. Here area of inner rectangle will be, here the length is 40. So here we will subtract 2 meter of this side and 2 meter of this side. It means the length of inner rectangle will become 36 meters. So here 36 will be the length of inner rectangle, and here this 2 and this 2 will be subtracted from 30. Therefore 30 minus 2 will become 26 meters will be the breadth of inner rectangle. So the area of inner rectangle, we will take 36 multiplied by 26, that is 936 square meter. Now this is the area not to be paved. Now to find the area of the path or area to be paved will be equal to area of outer rectangle, that is area of garden, minus area of the garden, that is not to be paved. It will be 1200 minus 936. It is equal to 264 square meter. So this is the area of garden to be paved. Now first we will find the area of the tile. Here length and breadth are given 25 centimeter and 20 centimeter. But we have to convert it into meter. So we will take 25 centimeter as 25 upon 100 meter and 20 centimeter as 20 upon 100 meters. Therefore area of each tile, here tile is rectangular in shape, therefore area is equal to length multiplied by breadth, that is 25 upon 100 multiplied by 20 upon 100. Now if you do the cancellation, you will get the answer as 1 upon 20 square meter. So this is the area of each tile. Now what we will do, children? Here we will divide the area of the path to be paved by area of one paver or area of one tile. Here total area is 264 square meter and area of one tile is 1 upon 20 square meter. So we will divide 264 by 1 upon 20. Here dividing by 1 upon 20, it means multiplying by its reciprocal, that is multiplying by 20. Reciprocal of 1 upon 20 is 20. So you will get here 264 multiplied by 20. So when you multiply 264 by 20, you will get 5280. It means how many tiles will be required? 5280 tiles will be required to pave the path along the garden. Now next example, a rectangular garden playground is 65 meter long and 30 meter wide. A pathway of 1.5 meter width goes all around the ground outside it. Find the area of the pathway. In this children example, here this is the rectangular garden. A, B, C, D. Rectangle is the rectangular garden whose length is 65 meter and breadth is 30 meter. Here a pathway of 1.5 meter width goes all around the ground outside it. Here the path is constructed outside the playground. Now you have to find the area of the pathway. For that children, first we should know the length and breadth of the outside rectangle. That is length and breadth of the rectangle PQRS. Here in this figure, quadrilateral ABCD is the playground. Around it is the pathway of 1.5 meter wide. Then rectangle PQRS is the rectangle obtained by adding the length and breadth of the path along with the playground. So what you have to do in order to find the area of this path, you have to subtract the area of playground from the area of quadrilateral PQRS. Now let us see here, quadrilateral ABCD is the playground. Around it is a pathway 1.5 meter wide. Now around rectangle ABCD, we get the rectangle PQRS. So area, length of new rectangle, that is length of rectangle PQRS will be, here it is 65. 65 plus 1.5 plus 1.5, it is 68 meters. And the breadth of the outside rectangle or breadth of the rectangle PQRS will be, this is 30 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. It is 33 meter. So these are the length and breadth of the rectangle PQRS. Now to get the area of the path, we have to subtract area of rectangle ABCD from area of rectangle PQRS. So what is area of rectangle PQRS? It is 68 multiplied by 33. That is length multiplied by breadth is 68 multiplied by 33. And area of rectangle ABCD is 65 multiplied by 30. So 68 multiplied by 33 is 2244 and 65 multiplied by 30 is 1950. Now subtract, you will get the area of the path, that is 294 square meters. Now next example given on the same page. The length and width of the mobile phone are 13 cm and 7 cm respectively. It has a screen PQRS as shown in the figure. What is the area of the screen? Children, you have to find the area of the screen PQRS. Here you will see that PQRS quadrilateral is a rectangle. Now here the border or the width of the boundary is also given. Here the length and breadth of the mobile phone are 13 cm and 7 cm. Now here it is formed by leaving 1.5 cm wide edge alongside AB, BC and CD and the 2 cm edge along DA. So first we have to find the length and breadth of the rectangle PQRS. Here the length of rectangle PQRS will be, here it is 13. 13 minus 1.5 minus 2, you will get it as 9.5 centimeter. Now to find the breadth of the rectangle or the mobile phone, here it is 7 centimeter. From that we will subtract 1.5 and this 1.5 we will get it as 4 centimeter. Now the length and breadth of the screen will be then 9.5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So we will multiply length with breadth, that is 9.5 with 4, we will get the area of rectangle PQRS, that is 38 square centimeter. Therefore, here children there is misprint in the book. You will make it as square centimeter. Now it is 38 square centimeter is the area of the screen. Children, you all have to complete your copies till here.